Good morning student. Today we will study class 7 chapter number 14. In our previous class we have discussed up to question number 3. Up to question number 2, 3, 4, 5 I have given you the homework. Now let us talk about question number 6. Question number 6, the figure is, in question number 6 this is your figure. Name here A, B, C, D and E. This angle is your 80 degree. After that this angle is your 35 degree. Now in the adjoining figure it is given that C is parallel to BA and angle BAC equals to 80 degree, angle ECD equals to 35 degree. First of all I have told you right here given. What is given to you in this question? Okay, you have to write given equals to CE parallel to BA and angle BAC equals to 80 degree. After that angle ECD equals to 35 degree. To find, what you have to find in this question? First one angle ACE, after that second angle ACB, third is your angle ABC, angle A, B and C. You have to find here. First one is your angle ACE, second is your angle ACB, third one is your angle ABC. In the given figure, CE parallel to BA. First of all, see, C and E is parallel to BA. Left AC and BD. आप इस लाइन को भूल जाइए, BD and AC को. Given क्या है? CE. This one CE line and after that this one BA. Okay, I am marking here BA and C or E. These two are parallel given to you in this question. Now angle ABC equals to 80 degree, angle ECD equals to 35 degree, angle BA and C is given to you 80 degree and angle ECD is given to you 35 degree. Now we have to find here angle ACE, angle ACB and angle ABC. First of all we will find first angle. First one is given here angle ACE. Okay, now proof. Okay, angle BAC. See, angle BA and C. Angle BAC is given here 80 degree equals to angle ACE. Why? ऐसा इस because equals to angle ACE, BAC equals to angle ACE equals to 80 degree. Because BAC is given, it is because of alternate angle with AC as a transversal. जो अल्टरनेट, ये क्यों इक्वल है? क्योंकि ये है अल्टरनेट एंगल विद AC एज अ ट्रांसवर्सल. AC क्या है? दोनों एंगल्स का ट्रांसवर्सल है. दैट्स व्हाई एंगल BAC इक्वल्स टू एंगल ACE 80 डिग्री. इट मींस वी हैव फाइंड फर्स्ट वन एंगल ACE. नाउ वी विल फाइंड एंगल सेकंड. Second we have to find angle ACB. So angle ACB plus angle ACD equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Because of linear pair. Now angle ACB plus angle ACE plus angle ECD equals to 180 degree. Angle ACB plus angle ACE plus angle ECD. Now A, B and C, after that ACE, after that ECD equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. कौन सी एंगल से? by angle sum property. After that we have to find here angle ACB. Right here angle ACB plus ACE is your 80 degree plus ECD, angle ECD is your 35 degree equals to 180 degree. Now angle ACB plus 80 plus 35 will be your 115 degree equals to 180 degree. Now angle ACB equals to 180 minus 115. Then angle ACB equals to 65 degree. We have find angle ACB also. Part second completed. We have find angle ACB is also 65 degree. Now what we have to find? We have to find here third part, angle ABC. Third part, angle ABC we have to find. So angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property. क्यों इक्वल है ये? By angle sum property. Now we have to find angle BAC. Right here angle ABC plus ACB is given here. Angle ACB we have find 65 degree. 65 degree plus angle BAC we have find. Angle BAC is given here 80 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle ABC equals to 65 plus 80 will be your 145 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay, 65 plus 80 will be your 145 degree. Now angle ABC equals to 180 degree minus 145 degree. So angle ABC will be your 35 degree. Okay, first angle BAC equals to angle ACE equals to 80 degree. It is given here BAC, right? So and it is because of alternate angle with AC as a transversal. जो AC है ये क्या है? ट्रांसवर्सल है. Now the second part, angle ACB plus angle ACD equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Now ACB will be as it is. ACD, let us see A, C and D. So ACD को हम we will divide ACD in two parts. Which one? First one is your ACE and second one is your ECD. Okay, so ACD को हम लिख सकते हैं angle ACE plus angle ECD. Okay, why? This is your A, C and D. Okay, this is your ACD. So we have written here first one is your A, C and E. Second will be your E, C and D. So it is equals to 180 degree. ACB equals to 80 plus 35 degree equals to 180 degree. So when you plus this 80 and 35 will be your 115. So 180 minus 115 will be your 65 degree. Same you can do in second part. Angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC. We have to find angle A, B and C. ABC हमें find करना है. So AC, so A, C and B first one and B, A, C will be second one. ACB हमारे पास कितना है 65 degree, BAC how much 80 degree. When you plus this it will be of 145 degree. So angle ABC equals to 180 minus 145 will be of 35 degree. This is your answer. We have find first, second and third also. Okay, this much clear. Now let's come to question number 7. Chapter number 14 is your logical chapter. You have to use only logic, but it is not difficult. You can say it is a logical chapter. You have to use your logic so that you can solve each and every question easily. Now, question number 7. Question number 7, this is your figure given in question number 7. It is given as C, E, O, D, B and A. Okay, in this question, in the adjoining figure it is given that AO parallel to CD and OB parallel to CE. And so first of all, write here what is given to you in this question. The given is AO parallel to CD and OB parallel to CE. So, and angle AOB equals to 50 degree. We have to find the measure of angle ECD to prove. हमें प्रूफ क्या करना है एंगल ECD. We have to find angle ECD. Now, solution is, now the solution of this question will be angle AOD. See, where is angle AOD? Angle AO and D. This one. We are talking about this one. Till here. Angle AOD equals to angle CD and B. Where is CDB? CDB. This one. You can compare by using the arrow also. I have put here 2 arrows. After that here 3 arrows. Angle AOD equals to angle CDB. Why? Because when AO parallel to CD, AO parallel to CD and OB is a transversal. Okay, why? AO parallel to CD and OB is a transversal. AO parallel to CD and but OB is your transversal. It is your intersecting line. So angle ECD plus angle CDB equals to 180 degree because consecutive interior angle consecutive interior angle are supplementary to DB parallel to CE and CD is a transversal. Okay, because consecutive interior angle are supplementary to DB and DB parallel to CE. DB parallel to CE and CD is a transversal. CD क्या है, दोनों का ट्रांसवर्सल है. So angle ECD equals to 180 minus 50 degree. Angle CDB is angle CDB. We have proved here AOD equals to CDB. AOB is given here 50 degree. So angle ECD equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So angle ECD equals to 130 degree. This is your answer. You have to use only logic in this type of question or in this chapter. It is not a difficult chapter. It is very easy. Only you have to use logic. I am giving you no homework. You have to only revise these two questions. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.